In a realm veiled by shadows and fear, there was a malevolent wizard named Nena. Nena's name was whispered in hushed tones by those who dared to speak it, for her powers were feared throughout the land. Nena resided in an ominous tower that loomed over a desolate landscape. The tower, known as the Obsidian Spire, was surrounded by an impenetrable thicket of thorns, serving as a stark warning to all who approached. Her fortress was adorned with dark symbols, and eerie green flames flickered in its windows. Nena's heart was as cold as the ice of the farthest northern reaches. Her pursuit of power had led her down a treacherous path, and she reveled in the suffering of others. With a wave of her ebony staff, she could conjure storms, curse the land, and bend the will of creatures to her malevolent bidding. The nearby villagers had long lived in the shadow of Nena's tyranny. Their once thriving lands now lay barren, and their hearts were heavy with despair. Nena's dark magic had ensnared the village, making even the most joyful of souls succumb to sorrow. Yet, amidst this darkness, a glimmer of hope emerged. A young, courageous mage named Eirik had heard the tales of Nena's wickedness and decided to confront the evil wizard. Armed with an ancient amulet of light and a heart full of determination, Eirik set forth on a perilous journey to end Nena's reign of terror. As Eirik neared the Obsidian Spire, he faced challenges that tested his strength and resolve. The thorny barrier surrounding the tower twisted and reached out to ensnare him, but Eirik's amulet radiated with a brilliant light, repelling the malevolent thorns. Finally, he stood before Nena, their confrontation a clash of opposing forces. Their battle raged on, with Nena's dark magic pitted against Eirik's unwavering determination to bring light to the land. In the end, it was Eirik's resilience and the purity of his heart that prevailed. He used the amulet's radiant power to weaken Nena's dark magic, ultimately breaking her malevolent hold on the land. Nena's powers were stripped away, and she was banished from the realm forever. With Nena's evil vanquished, the land began to heal. The villagers' hopes were rekindled, and the once barren fields blossomed with life. Eirik, now celebrated as a hero, ensured that the land would never again fall under the shadow of an evil wizard. And so, the tale of Nena served as a reminder that even in the darkest of times, the light of courage and the strength of a pure heart can conquer the most malevolent of evils. In the wake of Nena's defeat, the Obsidian Spire crumbled into ruins, and the thorny barrier surrounding it dissolved into the earth. The villagers were no longer haunted by nightmares, and the once dreaded tower became a symbol of resilience and triumph. Eirik, having proven himself as a protector of the realm, became a revered figure in the land. He was asked to guide the villagers in restoring their community and cultivating the once barren fields. With a newfound sense of unity and determination, the people worked tirelessly, sowing the seeds of hope, love, and kindness. Eirik, ever humble, continued to explore his magical abilities and used them to bring prosperity to the land. His innate understanding of magic and the balance between light and dark became legendary. He taught the villagers the secrets of harnessing magic for the betterment of their society, ensuring that the dark times under Nena's rule would never be forgotten, but also never repeated. Over time, the village flourished, becoming a thriving community with a sense of peace and security it had never known before. The land's beauty and vibrancy returned, transforming the realm into a place of wonder and harmony. The tale of Nena's malevolence and Eirik's bravery was passed down through generations as a reminder that even the darkest of powers could be overcome with courage and determination. The land prospered, and the memory of Nena's reign faded away, replaced by the stories of heroes who had brought light back to the realm. In the end, the legacy of Nena served as a beacon of hope, showing that evil could be conquered, and the light of goodness could always prevail, no matter how deeply the darkness had taken root.